Introducing the CCX-240 carbon cleaning machine brought to you by Carbo-Clean. Manufactured in the UK and ready for immediate shipment, this is a complete package and includes guidance, help and assistance in starting your own carbon cleaning business. We simply insert the hydrogen delivery hose into the vehicle's air intake, making sure it's not pinched, which would reduce the flow of hydrogen. For vehicles with a twin air intake system, we simply connect the push-fit hose splitter, which enables us to clean both sides of the engine at the same time. The CCX-240 machine can be powered directly from the mains or a generator, or even from an appropriate size inverter. For UK customers, the CCX-240 machine comes complete with 6-page trifold marketing flyers. UK and overseas customers are supplied with all required chemicals and a complete instruction manual along with a 12-month warranty.